So Gupteshwar Mahadev cave is the longest cave in South Asia. We have to walk quite a bit. It is basically a one-way route. You walk down and climb up the other way. Yes. I got one. Hello people, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 1st of Jan 2025. It is 9:57. I think this is the only day that we have woken up late and got ready late in this entire trip. And this is going to be the only day. Again, tomorrow we have to get up at 7 o'clock for the bus. So, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy 2025.
So, 2025 has started and let's go. Okay, I'm always confused. I go that way to the stairs. We're having breakfast outside today. We'll have breakfast, we'll hire a motorcycle and explore Pokhara. That's the plan. Come on. At 10 a.m. this is so wide. The footpath is as wide as the road here. In the evening there was no space to walk around here. Hey, we could have booked that bus, dude. Pokhara city sightseeing. Hearty welcome to Feva Lake. This Feva Lake has multiple entrances basically. Aarti ಬಂದು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೈನಿಕ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಆರತಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾತಾ ತಲಬರಾಹಿ ಆರತಿ ಸೇವಾ ಸಮಿತಿ. They have an aarti which happens in the evening here. Yeah. पेडल बोट
हमें नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए टेंपल जाना.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್? ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು.
टेंपल रिजर्व 900.
हाँ, 900. 1 hour with driver is 900. One way stupa, fish tail with driver 1000. Two way stupa 1800. Okay, temple way to stupa.
900 is for 4 people.
The one way that is. Paddle boat rate.
Where is it written one way?
Two way. Why is it written two way there? What does that mean?
One way. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ 700 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡು, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ.
ಏನೋ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡು. ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್. A person returns from temple parikrama and darshan 150 only. Please give your ticket to boat driver. Do not board a boat with no passengers. Okay. We are boating in Feva Lake. We didn't know how things worked here. So Yatish went to the counter. This person came up to us. He said, I'll take you there to buy this ticket. He told the counter he got some ticket and we're going. It's a very gloomy day today. Sun is out but still there's no clear sky. You can't see the peaks. It's a huge lake. It's not small. Okay. We've reached shore, so we'll leave life jacket here. This here is the temple. Fish watch point is there here. In watch point, really there? Fish show? I think feeding point. Oh yeah, dude. See. And there is one fish watch point here. Ah yeah, there are huge fishes here, dude. So they're feeding the fishes.
Hello.
Nodana? Fish.
Can we feed the fish?
So there's one fish point. They're feeding what am I saying? They're feeding pigeons and crows as well. Pigeon feeding, crow feeding, fish feeding, सब कुछ feeding हो रहा है. हो गया. So this is the island temple. Barahi Mandir. Yes, Barahi Mandir is done. You can see Annapurna south, you can see Fishtail, and that is Sarangkot where the cable car is there. That is also visible. Basically, the board says it is 150 rupees per head. You just take the ticket and you need to hire the... I don't know if you have to hire the boat. I'm still confused. So what we did is we picked up 5 tickets. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the tickets, no? In the ticket it was written that you shouldn't climb a boat which has more than 5 occupants. So basically you buy the ticket and go to the boat. They have to take you here and come. That is 150 rupees per ticket. And the ticket print was 136. I don't know how this works. It looks like a big scam. It is not even a 10 minutes job. You come here, this is the temple, you go around the fish, what is the fish view point? Enjoy the view, leave, that is all. But yeah, we here, experience it, done it, over. 11:48, the temperature is 14 degrees. We have a digital signboard there. A nice Nepal flag is there. This is big, no? The lake is huge.
They have kayaks as well.
They have kayaking, they have paddle boats, they have rowboats. Nice view to do boating actually. Okay. You get a nice view here of Annapurna range. Sunny, dude, it's sunny. Our next tourist attraction for today is Mahadev Cave entrance gate. Shopping, shopping, shopping. Wherever you go is just shopping. So just 20 meters from here is Gupteshwar Mahadev Cave. Hey, kaal oodkondidiya matte. My feet feel like they're swollen again.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಂತ
Way to cave. Ticket counter is there. So we need to take tickets. 100 rupees dude. Nepali Nagarik. 100. Okay, counter open timing 6 AM to 6 PM. Gupteshwar Mahadev Management Committee, and we pick our tickets as we go inside. This is the ticket. Not bad. He gave the ticket. I showed it to you. I gave it to him. He scanned it. He kept it. That is all. Oh, they have a tourism day which is on 27 September. The longest cave in South Asia. Dude, is it? Okay. So Gupteshwar Mahadev cave is the longest cave in South Asia. We have to walk quite a bit. It is basically a one-way route. You walk down and climb up the other way. There are no charges for videos and photography. It's nice. So we're going down to the entrance here. Okay, no photography and video recording inside the cave. Photography happens only outside. I'm not sure. Outside they said don't take videos and photos, but here if you come without taking, you can't do anything.
Take my photo, please.
So I have
Capture.
made one small video. Just a video of that waterfall there and this walk. Next I'll go outside and make a video. Like that. There is one shivling inside, and there's the waterfall that I showed you. It goes deep down. And oh, idena the sleeping god. In this with the
Vishnu. Muktinath.
yeah. He's laying down on the snake. This is worth it. When you're in Pokhara, you have to come here. This is a nice place to visit. It is recommended to visit this place when you're here. So you see that is Gupteshwar Mahadev cave, and this is Devi's Fall. Just walkable distance. Where did he go? He went inside. Okay, he's here. तो
चलो अंदर चलो आ गया पीछे
only shopping. Sorry, only Nepali money accepted here. 100 rupees. That is also 100, this is also 100. So 200 rupees when you come here. Keep it aside. This is the entrance to Devi's Fall. Lord Buddha, Manakamna Bhagavati, Summer House, Devi's Fall, Annapurna Mountain Range and washroom. So everything is here. We will just walk straight to the falls, and as we exit we can visit the Buddha statue there. This is kind of a recreational park, waterfall, Buddha statue, and one more Bhagavati temple. There it is. Buddha was born in Nepal. यानी क्या है? Okay. If you want to walk, you can view the waterfalls from here. Where is the wish pool? We just saw some stairs. We found this structure here. We came walking to it. I think that should be the one in the center, huh? Illa. What is that then? It's not maintained. They charge 100 rupees for entry, but nah. This could be maintained well actually. So this here is the wishing well. Where is details? Okay, believers, try your best to stick your coin on the plate carrying image of goddess Manakamna Bhagavati. Your wish will be surely fulfilled. Try and more and wishful one. So details about the wishing well is here. You can go through it. And this here is the wishing well. So the coin has to settle on top. Is it okay? See that? ये क्या है?
कलेक्शन है घर में लाने के लिए।
वो घर में लाने के लिए है। कितने का ये?
पसंद हो कष्ट घूम चाहिए देखो।
कितना ये?
50 रुपया इंडिया मनी।
50 rupees India money.
छोटा वाला नेपाली 50 है।
This is coin collection.
बाहर निस्केर आपको टिकट लेने वहीं हो। तारीपट्टी गेट सा क्या?
Okay, they sell coins also here. हाँ. We'll take this. We have taken the coins. तगो निनಗೆ ಮೂರು ನನಗೆ ಮೂರು. चलो. ये कितने आतर ए इल्लो इदिದೆ. This is I think ये 2 रुपए का coin है. Okay, rupees 2 it is written. See. Come on, dude. Let's go. Good try. You have to wish first. You have to wish first before you do it. Go.
I wish the coin falls down.
ನೀವಾ ಕ್ರಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ.
Dude, all three.
ಬಿತ್ತು ಯಸ್
One went away.
ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಯಸ್
ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳಬೇಕು ಅದು ದೇವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟ
ದೇವ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು ಅದಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು
ಅರೆ it went off the side. I got one. I hope the wish comes true. Chalo. You want to try more?
I know my luck. I don't have to try for it.
I got one on it. So yeah. I can't reveal the wish. You'll see. This is the Lord Buddha statue here. That's all. That is Devi's Falls. Visit Nepal's 2020 experience letter. Something is later. Okay, I was just reading that. So we exit, and next we have to go to Peace Pagoda. That is one thing I wanted to see. We'll find a cab and then plan accordingly. Okay, we reached the taxi stand at World Peace Pagoda. We have to walk stairs again.
480 steps.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ? Okay, here. Written 480 steps ahead. We know count now. You don't get disappointed. So 480 steps means 480 steps. Not one more, not one less. It is there on top. Entrance to Peace Pagoda. No TikTok, no video. Please take care. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ತಾನೆ.
ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾರು
Done with our visit to World Peace Pagoda. Can't see any of the peaks today. It's all very foggy. ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀನು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? Yes, iPhone 11 Pro. 11 or 12? Yes, iPhone 11 and he'll tell photos only won't come. When you used to go to late, I had iPhone 7 back then. See the view of the city.
वीडियो बना दो.
So you get a panoramic view of the Pokhara city and you can see the airport runway as well. Nice view, Feva Lake, the city, runway. Everything is visible from here. Actually, the best time to come here is early in the morning or late in the evening. That's when it will be lit up. Sunrise, sunset, peaks. You know, the wrong time. But yeah, we came here. Been here, done that.